such a noble story where we are talking about education, which is like a real crisis in India, and the importance of it. And what he says in the end, I mean it from my heart when that character says that, you know what, once one person gets educated in a family, not just him, his entire family and his generations to come will benefit from it. So I want to be the voice behind that message sometimes. So I do parts just for something like this sometimes.
वाह विजय मैंने आपकी एक वो भी मूवी देखी थी गोस्ट स्टोरीज जहां
Yeah.
आप जानवी का जो हिस्सा है उनके उनका कपल बनते हो सो व्हेन आई सॉ
The,
दिस scenes and this acting of you I believe that you should be in the industry as a leading man like
yeah.
what even as a villain like आपकी जो शक्ल है मैं कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ आपकी तस्वीर यहाँ आप बिल्कुल विनोद खन्ना ऑफ 70s दिख रहे हो सेम टू सेम रियली आई बिलीव मी सो मैंने जब देखा था बोले कि आपको लीडिंग रोल मिलना चाहिए इसके बाद जैसे कि इरफान खान लेटर इरफान खान या फिर नवाजुद्दीन
Yeah.
सिद्दीकी वैसा आपका दौर चल रहा है अभी वैसा मेरी नजर में है सो व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट दैट
I think I am with you on this opinion that slowly and steadily I should get myself to play leading parts. I'm very happy to be shooting. You know, sometimes I forget that this is not a very big role or a very small role or whatever, because I really have great time shooting. But with the kind of participation I put in from my end to do a project, I can do a lot more with my time, and therefore going forward, you'll see me in leading roles a lot more than what happened. I had to correct my life, you know, after Monsoon Shootout, which was my first film as a leading man.
या
It never got a release for 6, 7 years. So
यस
I had to pick myself up all over again, do whatever I could do to get here, you know. So now now I'm spoiled for choices right now, and I can pick and choose the right kind of stuff.
वाह विजय सर आपकी जिंदगी में और हर किसी की जिंदगी में एक स्टेशन आता है आपका जो स्टेशन बहुत ही अहम स्टेशन था गली बॉय का उसके बाद एक दूसरा
जी
स्टेशन आया आपका शी में
जी
सस्या का जो रोल था वो हैदराबादी रोल मुझे क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो एक्सेंट है हैदराबादी की या जो आपने इस किरदार निभाया वो आपका लिखा हुआ है आई नो इम्तियाज अली ही रिटन द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ही रिटन एवरीथिंग
Yeah.
बट द कैरेक्टर wise you did the character of Hyderabadi accent. I don't know. I believe, I think that.
Uh, no, he's written the character exactly the way it is. Of course, there could be some lines here and there which I could be improvising, but I don't remember them very vividly. He had written the character, and he had written exactly what this character will do and will say. And they've also got somebody from Hyderabad to write the Hyderabadi dialogue. So the draft
Okay.
that I got was already written in Hyderabad. So he is very meticulous that way, and he workshopped the hell out of that character with me and the girl Aditi. So we workshopped a lot. We workshopped for like 15 days before we went on to the shoot. We knew exactly what we were going to do. It was a tough character, and it was a tough journey for all of us if we had not done enough workshop. That relationship and that character and the darkness between the two and the sexual tension would not have come alive, you know. So I think he told me that he was very happy that I knew Hyderabadi the way he wanted it.
Okay.
Not just the language,
Uh,
but just as a also as a place, as a culture, as वहाँ के लोगों का कुछ है एक they enjoy life a lot differently than the others.
why I mean about this question because you know हमारे कंट्री में यूएई में या फिर कई गल्फ कंट्रीज में यहाँ के जो इंडियंस है यहाँ की जो ज्यादातर जो भाषा बोलते हैं वो हैदराबादी एक्सेंट से बोलते हैं तो ये जो
जी
रोल था आपका शी में बावा का बहुत ही करीब था दिल के सबके लिए इतना करीब था
क्या
कि
बात
मुझे कुछ लोगों ने बोले कि कुछ जब उनको पता चला कि मैं आपके साथ इंटरव्यू करने वाला हूं, बोले उनको पूछना हमको बहुत ही ये गुस्सा आ रहा है कि उनका जो रोल था फर्स्ट सीजन में वो खत्म हो गया वो क्योंकि दूसरे
हाँ
सीजन में देखना चाहते हैं आपको तो पता नहीं अगर आई बिलीव इन माय ओपिनियन मे बी इम्तियाज अली ही आल्सो inside himself that he feeling oh my god I need this guy again in second season I don't know maybe he will do something like what Mirzapur done with you I will go to Mirzapur before you answer this question.
No, I realized it right after shooting and during the editing. Couple of times I spoke to Imtiaz sir, and he was like, I think people are going to miss Sasya uh, when it ends. So
Of
he had
course.
an idea. He had an idea, and but then we also have to make sure that a character like Sasya meets the end that he deserves. Like we've seen enough, really badly behaved men getting away from what they do on screen, right? So I think that way it's the right statement to make, that this guy has been forcing himself on a girl or whatever reason, and he's also dealing in a narcotics in the underworld, and this person deserves the death that he got. It's justice that way, so it's good.
Believe me, if I'm the producer of She, I will tell the scriptwriter to make another Sasya like twins of that guy and come in the second season with him. For that reason, I'm asking about
फंस गया
I-
सस्या का भाई
Fasya.
फंस गया
ससिया का भाई फसिया जैसे कि छोटा का भाई बड़े या छोटे आप मैं अब आई एम गोइंग टू दिस नाउ मिर्जापुर and Mirzapur I feel that the makers play very well and very safely because they know that we are dealing with Vijay Verma now. Really believe me, मैं आपसे बहुत सच्चाई की बात करता हूँ आपके साथ क्योंकि मैं एक फिल्म क्रिटिक हूँ और डायरेक्टर हूँ. जब मैंने मिर्जापुर फर्स्ट पार्ट देखे है, दूसरा पार्ट में जब पता चला कि आप उसमें हैं तो मैं बोला वाओ, that's what they are doing now. They are making this in the length of what they will do in the third part. In the end of the credit, they show you like in the Marvel movies जब कोई खतरनाक विलन दिखाता एंड में, एंड के ट्विटर में या एंड के क्रेडिट में, वैसे आपको दिखाया गया. तो I am so happy that they play very well and they give you twins role. So एक को मारो दूसरे को बचाओ ताकि उनको थर्ड सीजन में देखें. So they play better than she as a safe. I am saying that. So how's the
Yeah.
experience in Mirzapur and doing Chote Bade double role, which is really shocking for me. And too many memes, mashallah, too many memes they did about this.
हाँ, ये इसके मीम्स ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड पहुंच गए हैं. अच्छी बात है. uh, बहुत मजा आया. इनफैक्ट दैट वाज द पिच, लाइक दे टोल्ड मी वी वांट यू टू कम इन सीजन 2 एज डबल रोल. So that's how they approached me. This was right after Gully Boy. So I was excited to do this, and I like the series a lot. I was happy to try the Bihari region because I had not approached Bihar before in Super 30 minorly, but I wanted to enjoy that language a bit. So I got a chance to do that. And of course, double role is a pain in the ass to shoot. It looks very nice as an effect because it's like a
Yeah.
lot of work goes behind, because it's not like there are two people shooting with each other. I'm doing the whole job one after the other, looking into sometimes at a ball, sometimes at a anything that is basically playing the other person, the other brother. So that was a bit of a learning, but I enjoyed doing it because the effect of it is so good. When kids in my family, I show them pictures of because they're not allowed to watch the show. So when I show them pictures of two of me in one frame, they get really excited. I like the effect of it.
Wow, that's great. Vijay bhai, we give you a little break. I will show you
Okay.
our tradition. हमारा जो tradition है इमारात का, UAE. We have a
Okay.
qahwa. It's Arabic qahwa.
Okay.
It's like a coffee. So it's
Okay.
coffee, Arabic coffee. When अगर कोई हमारे घर आता है तो हम उनको ये पहले प्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो ये कहवा हम उनको यहाँ इस कप में देते हैं. इस कप का नाम, इसका नाम है दल्ला और इसका नाम है फिंजान. तो हम क्वार्टर देते हैं, फुल
फिंजाम
नहीं
डालना.
देते हैं. या
अच्छा.
सो हम उसको क्वार्टर देते हैं, फुल नहीं देते, क्योंकि वो जब पीता है अपना गेस्ट, अगर
हाँ.
उनको पसंद आया तो वो ऐसा करता है, अगर बस खत्म तो ऐसा हिलाता है
So
जिसकी
he
मुंडी
will
हिलती
finish
है.
it.
Yeah, so he'll finish it. So
So nice.
that's our tradition. I want to show you only a little bit.
भेजना मेरे लिए आप.
Of course, of course. आप
And
कहाँ
some
पे है
oud
अभी?
also.
Oud.
Bombay.
Yeah, Oud in Hyderabad
Yeah.
very famous. In हैदराबाद में तो
Yeah.
ज्यादा है famous. हम हैदराबाद जाते हैं ऊद खरीदने के लिए.
अरे वाह. चलो मैं मालूम
Yeah.
करता हूँ.
Yeah. So Vijay, I want to ask you about your upcoming projects. आपके जो
Hmm.
बहुत लोग यहाँ पे जानना चाहते हैं आपके और कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं टीवीज या सिनेमा में.
So there's a show called Fallen with Amazon again. It's a Amazon original.
Okay,
Reema Kakti is directing it, and it
very
has
good.
me, Sonakshi, and Gulshan Devaya and Soham Shah
Oh.
as some of the players. So
Mhm.
ये हम लोग अभी shoot करेंगे. We were shooting it, but because of the
Soham,
lockdown,
he's
we
the
had to.
director. Sorry,
No,
he's
no,
the director.
he's also
Soham Shah.
acting. No, no, Reema
Ah,
is no.
okay,
Soham is acting. Reema is
okay,
directing.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So again, a very interesting thriller, and I play something that I have not played before, so that's interesting.
Okay.
And and then there is a what else was it? Yeah, there's a show which I did. It's a sci-fi and a comedy and a mockumentary.
Mm-hmm.
So one of a kind. I play the main guy in that show, and it has Radhika Apte as well, and it's going to come on Hotstar early next year.
Okay. Okay. What
Called
about
tentatively called
cinemas?
OK Computer.
Okay, computer. And okay, cinema के बारे में on cinema, any
Cin,
movies
cin,
coming?
there is Hurdang, which we've just finished, and then there is another film that I will start maybe in March, April. So yeah, I'm trying to do series and movies एक के बाद एक.
Wow, brilliant. विजय सर आप किधर हो अभी हैदराबाद में या कहीं और?
बॉम्बे आ गया हूँ मैं. I was in
Wow, in
Hyderabad.
Mumbai. Yeah,
Hmm.
I remember I saw you in the airport plane story.
Yeah.
Uh, so I have some quick questions for you. After that,
Okay.
little quiz. उसके बाद हम एंड
Okay.
करेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चन पब्लिक के क्वेश्चंस है. सो मेरी
Okay.
क्विक क्वेश्चंस है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप जल्दी आप मुझे जल्दी जवाब दीजिएगा. आपका सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस कौन सा है आपके नजर में?
I can't really tell. I mean, there are some things that I like about some performances, and there are so many flaws that I can see. But I particularly enjoyed Sasya. I enjoyed Moin. I enjoyed another series that I did much early in my life called Cheers. It's on YouTube.
Okay,
It's one of my favorite characters. Yeah.
wow. Okay, your best moment as an actor, what was? सब
I
बोलेंगे
think
मोइन का जो कैरेक्टर है ऐसा बोलेंगे. बस आप क्या
no,
बोलेंगे?
no. For me, I mean, when I didn't have anywhere to go or I didn't know what was happening and if I'll do anything or not, my first film Monsoon Shootout got selected at Cannes, and it was surreal for me. The first festival I ever went to was the Cannes Film Festival, and the walking down that red carpet with 2,000 people
Mhm.
sitting inside the movie hall and waiting to watch your movie was an unreal experience. I don't think I ever felt anything like that ever before or after.
Wow. Okay, which characters you are waiting for? You are have hunger for that to do.
I'm very hungry, but I don't know for which parts. I just know that what I've done before, I don't want to do that again. But something new.
Like for example, कोई ऐसा example है आपके पास ऐसा कुछ
I
biography
think,
वाला या फिर कौन
oh
सा?
yeah, I mean, there are some personalities that I really like. I feel like Azharuddin के ऊपर फिल्म बननी चाहिए और मुझे अजहर प्ले करना चाहिए because
Wow,
that story is still not very well told.
made.
So
Yeah.
let's hope.
No,
Fingers crossed.
I am agree with you 100% because अजहरुद्दीन की स्टोरी अच्छी तरह से नहीं बनी गई जो मैंने
नहीं
इमरान
बनी.
हाशिमी देखी थी. तो आप उसको
Yeah.
जस्टिस देंगे. I believe in that. I believe in that.
Yeah. Yeah.
ओके कौन से ऐसे जो कैरेक्टर आपने किए हैं द कैरेक्टर्स व्हिच यू आर फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल व्हेन यू सी योरसेल्फ ऑन द स्क्रीन एनी
Oh my
कैरेक्टर
God.
यू फील दैट
Sasya. I remember I was really hiding behind a blanket and watching it with a couple of friends the first time. And I
ओके
didn't allow anybody, none of my family members to watch it. So I still can't watch. I still can't watch what I did in She because it was really like really out there. Um, I think there are some here and there that I feel like either I was very bad or I was doing something very bad. Like either I was bad in the performance or I was doing some really bad things in life in the role.
Okay. It is general question. What about all-time three best movies for in your opinion? आपके बचपने में आप कुछ फिल्में देखे हैदराबाद में, मुझे पता है सिनेमा घर में, तो आपकी
I
सबसे
know.
थ्री बेस्ट.
I think for the first few impressions was of course Mr. India and Sadma. Those were two early impressions,
Wow.
and I feel like
Wow.
both the films were smashing in their own way.
Wow.
And Vastav was like a turning point for me. Vastav देख के हमको लगा कि हमको एक्टर बनना चाहिए.
Okay. So you love
Yeah,
this kind of characters, gangster character, gangster hero,
yeah.
Munna Bhai.
No guy coming from nowhere, becoming something, माँ वेट कर रही है घर पे आके बोला पप्पा 40 तोला. So it's just like larger
Yeah.
than life
Wow. Wow.
achievement for a very local guy. Yeah.
Good. आपकी सबसे तीन बेहतरीन गाने कौन से हैं? Three best songs all time.
Oh my God.
आप कभी भी गुनगुनाते हो अपने आप
I
अकेले
don't
में?
know. It keeps changing so much, but there are some songs I keep going back to, like Afreen by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan is something that I listen
Okay.
to a lot. I
Wow.
love a lot of stuff by Nusrat Sahab. But right now I've been tripping so much on Sidhu Moosewala's song. It's called East Side Flow. It's so much fun to listen to that song and Old Town Road. ये तीन गाने मैं भी बहुत सुन रहा हूँ.
Wow. ऐसा कोई गाना आप
हिंदी में
गुनगुनाना चाहते हैं
हिंदी
हमारे लिए?
में नहीं मैं आपकी जो
आपकी
दुबई
आवाज
से
बहुत
लेके
खूबसूरत है. आपकी
आवाज
आवाज
बहुत
बहुत
अच्छी है,
खूबसूरत है.
लेकिन
आप
गाते ही
कुछ
पैकअप हो जाता है मेरा.
come on.
50 रुपए काटो इसके, ऐसे हो जाता है.
No, I don't believe that. I believe that. See, आपकी हंसी भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. उसके साथ एक अच्छी ट्यून्स भी आती है. मेरे ख्याल से कुछ आप
नहीं
गुनगुनाते हैं कभी-कभी.
आप कुछ सुनाओ एकदम बढ़िया मिडिल ईस्ट से.
इंशाल्लाह. ओके. हैदराबादी खलाखन स्वीट या फिर मुंबई का दूध पेड़ा?
हैदराबादी डबल का मीठा.
वाओ आपने तो दिल की बात छेड़ ली. ओके. Can anyone beat Hyderabadi biryani? Anyone,
नो नो नो
any
नो नो
city?
नो 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 नो
Believe me,
देयर ऑल
nobody. Huh?
वॉनबीज. नो. आ जाओ कमेंट्स में आ जाओ, लड़ाई करेंगे.
कभी हैदराबादी बिरयानी बनाने की कोशिश की आपने?
नहीं हम घर पे
मैंने
वेजिटेरियन है तो
ओके.
तो ये सारी
What is
चीटिंग
your
मैंने बड़े होके की है.
so आपने चीटिंग की है, खाया है
या
कभी
या
मटन बिरयानी,
या
चिकन बिरयानी खाया? ओके.
या
Okay, your best destination, which city in the whole world?
From the ones I've been to, it's Florence in Italy and Shillong
Wow.
in Meghalaya. These two cities I'm absolutely in love with. And there are places which I have not been to, but they're on my bucket list. Um, some small places in Spain. Um, Peru is definitely on my agenda. I want to go to one of those Scandinavian places also. Let's see. A lot of plans. अभी तो अगर ये लॉकडाउन में मैं अगर विदेश में होता तो मैं घूमता रहता था, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कहीं पर तो, locally at least.
Yes, you're right. Okay, this is quiz time for you. ये मेरा जो क्विज है मैं हर सेलिब्रिटी के साथ करता हूँ. ये क्विज है अरबिक वर्ड्स. मेरे जो कुछ
Okay.
आपके जो कुछ फिल्म्स या फिर कुछ शोज है, मैंने उनका सबटाइटल बदल के अरबी में दिया है. वो अरबी में बोलूंगा,
Okay.
आपको बूझना है, आपको पता चलाना है कि ये क्या है, ये क्या नाम है इसका.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
first one, it is a movie, your movie. अब मेरे इशारों को भी देख सकते हो.
Okay.
I will tell it in Arabic. The movie name in Arabic, Al Sabbagh. Al Sabbagh. अगर कुछ है मैं इंग्लिश में बताऊंगा आपको. It is about a person whose trade is the dyeing of cloth of the other material.
अच्छा, हाँ, रंगरेज.
रंगरेज, yes, रंगरेज. You are right. Good. आप लोग का कुछ अरब लोग हैं वहां पे, उनका सहारा भी ले सकते हो अगर आप पढ़ना चाहते हो, अगर कुछ मुश्किल हो जाए. Second one,
ठीक है,
it is in Arabic, عصابة الأشباح. Isaba.
This is not my film.
Come on. What's the name of
Okay,
the movie?
I'm asking you if
It
this
is
is
your
my film
movie.
or
It
not.
is your movie.
Okay,
It
okay.
is a
Come
movie.
again.
Sorry, it is a movie. Its name Isaba. Isaba, so many people.
Mm-hmm.
Al-Ashbah, so many bad people together. जहां पर कई ऐसे कुछ भूत आत्माएं रहते हैं एक साथ.
Gang of Ghosts.
Gang of Ghosts, yes. It's the
Nobody
Satish
knows about
Kaushik
this
movie.
film. आप मेरे
It is Satish
Even I
Kaushik
forgot.
directing movie.
Yeah,
You
I
act
know.
in the movie. Yeah, you act in this
I
movie.
acted in the movie और फिल्म रिलीज हो गई और बहुत बुरी तरह पिट गई थी और मैं
I
सतीश जी
know.
से मिलने गया ऐसे ही तो बोल रहे हैं पता ही नहीं चला इतनी खराब बना दी मैंने
Oh my God. सही में वो सतीश कौशिक ने कैसी बनाई ऐसी फिल्म, ये मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, जिसने तेरा
It
नाम
was
बनाया
so
था
funny
और उनका.
because because बैठ के ऐसे बोल रहे हैं यार पता ही नहीं चला बनाते तो ठीक लग रही थी
He's funny guy. Okay, विजय ये और तीसरी आपकी फिल्म है, बहुत ही फेमस फिल्म है. In Arabic it's called ولد الشارع. ولد
Three word.
थोड़ा बड़ा यहाँ तक. الشارع. It is a boy.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
Gully Boy.
A boy of Gully Boy. Yes. Right, Gully Boy.
I have two choices in boy. I have Suitable Boy and Gully Boy now, so I have to choose one. But I figured
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you were doing this. You're doing this.
Gully, yeah, Gully. I don't know what to
Yeah.
call it in Gully, so it's Gully. Yeah. Okay, this is also a very famous movie. It is called in Arabic. Even in the poster of the cinema, they written it Al-Wardi. Al-Wardi. It is a color. Al-Wardi.
Pink.
Pink. Yes, pink. Right,
Al-Wardi.
pink. Al-Wardi. Great. आखिरी है ये एक आपकी सीरीज है, बहुत फेमस सीरीज भी है. الولد again الولد المناسب.
Oh, Suitable Boy.
A suitable boy, yes. الولد means boy, المناسب means suitable. So
मुनासिब
that
मुनासिब
was
समझ गया मैं.
very good. Yeah, because आपने वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी उर्दू बोली है, तो मुनासिब तो आपके पास तो रहेगा आपके पास.
जी जी हाँ इतना तो आता है.
या ये खेल का जरिए ये है कि कुछ जो अरब वर्ड्स है आपकी भी फिल्मों के जो यहाँ पे चलते हैं, आपको पता चलेंगे कि ये क्या बोलते हैं, क्या नाम है इसका अरबी में. तो that's the main of this idea of the game.
So nice.
Yeah. So at the end, can we take like some few questions of the audience if you like? Because mashallah there
let's
is
take a couple of
so many
questions.
people, कई people है आपके माशाल्लाह, हमारे पास भी आपको बहुत hearts दे रहे हैं. So there is a
What are the
there
comments
is a
like?
yeah there is Sarah from Lebanon. She is very happy
Okay.
and she is saying that you are very famous even in Beirut, Lebanon.
Oh, oh, how nice! I'd like to come there someday.
Yeah, it's very nice city.
I love the cuisine. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to come and enjoy it at the real place.
Okay. There is Alakna. She is saying, can we expect you
Love from
in a romantic role?
Morocco. Yes, fairly soon.
Okay.
Again, my kind of romance, not the candy floss.
I hope your kind of romance, which you can be, you be comfortable watching with the family.
I doubt. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah. There is also one lady. She's from
Love
Saudi
from
Arabia.
Oman.
Yeah. She's one lady from Saudi. She's named Alia Bhatt. She's Alia Bhatt fan.
Okay.
She's asking me, asking you, sorry, is it you are doing a movie with Alia Bhatt soon? Is it right or wrong? Because they कुछ अफवाह है.
अफवाह है, but I can't comment on it right now.
So there is a chance, I think, you will be opposite her.
I guess so, but I can't really comment on it right now.
Okay. मुझे क्यों ऐसा लगता है वो कोई उनकी फिल्म है संजय लीला भंसाली की या फिर पता नहीं.
I have no idea.
Commitment. You have no idea. Okay, no problem. Okay. So, can we take another two questions,
And
please?
Jigar Faridi or Chote Tyagi? Who would you relate to?
Yes.
Jigar Faridi or Chote Tyagi? I would relate to both of them. That's why I was able to play them truthfully. But I personally prefer Chote Tyagi's innocence. But Jigar had also a very interesting way to go about doing things. Yeah, I can't choose one. Sorry.
Yeah. सही में वो किरदार बिकेम रियली फेमस, बड़े और छोटे उनका जो
Mm-hmm.
कॉम्बिनेशन है बहुत ही फेमस हो गया है, क्योंकि शुरुआत में जो सीरीज चल रहा था तो कुछ लिटिल बिट देयर इज सम रिपीटेबल सीन्स, बट व्हेन योर एंट्री केम एंड व्हेन वी शॉक्ड बाय डबल रोल, we feel that like a life coming to this series in Mirzapur.
यस, थैंक यू। हम लोग ने बहुत छुपा के रखा वो न्यूज डबल रोल वाला 1.5 साल तक, किसी को नहीं बताया।
Yeah,
वो सरप्राइज ही रखना था।
वो बहुत अच्छा सरप्राइज था, सही में उनका जो सोच थी बहुत सही थी।
करेक्ट थी, थैंक यू।
Yeah. So there is one girl also from UAE, Emirat. She's doing two accounts. One hair account. She's named Afra. She's a painter, and also she have account for your name. The name is Vijay Verma Fan from Emirat.
ओके,
Yeah, I don't know.
नाइस।
She's disappeared from her. She's so much happy that you will be with us.
थैंक यू विजय वर्मा।
Thank you so much. So विजय
Alright.
सर, और मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ आपको, मैं बहुत खुशगुजार हूँ कि आपका यहाँ पे हमारा लाइव सेशन चला आपके साथ। I'm so happy. I'm glad to meet you, and I hope that meet you in your country or you meet me in Dubai or Abu Dhabi,
Yes,
inshallah, this soon.
जरूर जरूर। we'll be in touch, इंशाल्लाह जल्दी ही मिलेंगे। और मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि शायद मैंने कुछ 6-8 महीने बाद में लाइव आया। I was not coming live for anything, but you've been talking to me for a while now, and we wanted to do this, so finally
Yeah.
here we are. All right.
Thank you so much for that, and I
Thank
hope
you.
that you enjoyed this live.
I enjoyed it thoroughly. I will make sure that I learn the words that the film names that you taught me of my own films.
Inshallah, inshallah. All the
All
best
right.
for your new projects, and keep safe, inshallah. And मेरे तरफ से आपके घर वालों को सलाम।
आपको भी सलाम।